Hello. What I'm going to do is walk through a demonstration of using NextIT with an HR use case and how it works and how it behaves. In these use cases, we're going to look at things such as auto navigation, answering common questions, and or launching and creating a case. So first of all, I'm going to launch the bot itself by asking for help.
Hi Steve. What can I assist you with today?
It's going to reference who I am because it has my authentication from the network, so it knows my name and it knows how it can help me. And this is the sort of type where it can integrate with an employee database and it can use information for personalized responses. What I'm going to do now is I want to ask a question around what holiday entitlement I am allowed. So it's directed me to a page within my HR benefits system that lists the floating holidays that we get this year, which is the public holidays, and it allows me then to view them. At this point though, I might want to drill in and ask for more information. Maybe I want to ask something that's more specific to me. So I'm going to ask how much vacation time I actually have left.
You have 65 hours of vacation remaining this year.
So it's come back with the amount of time I have remaining this year, and again, this query has gone into the HR system to retrieve this. And at this stage, I've got some further things. So for example, I could schedule my vacation, I could look at vacation eligibility, and both of those are going to launch different tools to do those correct jobs. So it's just about understanding how I can use the tool in that regard. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to move on to another style of initiation with the bot. This time I'm going to ask it a question about my personal insurance. So I'm going to ask, how do I add my wife to my insurance?
You can change your benefits outside of the normal annual enrollment period for specific life events such as marriage. You have 30 days from the date of the qualifying event to make the change by informing Human Resources via an HR help ticket. I can help you create that ticket if you like.
So at this stage, I'm going to ask it to create a ticket for me. So please help me create a ticket for this.
I will create an HR help ticket for you that includes the text of this chat. If there is any additional detail you would like added to the ticket, just enter it below. If you don't need to add any additional detail, please click the link below and I'll send the ticket to the HR help desk for you.
So at this stage, I'm going to click create an HR ticket, and it's created the HR ticket, and you can see in the background it's launched a HTML pop-up window that's informing that I will receive that email as well as a backup. The whole point of this is reinforcing the message of an on-screen pop alongside the HR systems itself. One thing to note is I'm running the speech whilst I'm recording this video, and I have my speech responses disabled because I'm recording at the same time. Equally, you don't need to have that speech. You could read the task as it comes up, and equally you could use voice recognition in order to log your queries as well. I can then drill into further information about this. So let's, for example, I wanted to find out what the status of the ticket was.
What is your service ticket number?
So I'm going to give it the service ticket number that I previously raised.
The status of your service ticket, HR 0491954, is in progress. A service technician has been assigned to your ticket and you should be receiving an update within 24 hours.
And also at this stage, I could then move into another area. So let's say, for example, I want to ask about my paternity leave. And again, at this stage, it's gone and looked to see how much service I need to complete in order to allow myself to have paternity leave rights. And it's based on where I live, for example. So you can make the help that comes back context sensitive. It is always querying the HR system and the HR database to ensure that anything it comes back with is relevant and consistent to who you are as an employee. And that's the whole point and benefit of having the full integration, and how NextIT's functionality linked with an integration into your HR and case tool can deliver an end-to-end service for a front-ended UI.